This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro. Reload.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is just a random get ready with me. Well, I'm going to a party tonight, so I just decided to get on the camera and just do something quick with you guys. I hope you like this look, because I do, and I'm rocking it tonight. I haven't worn pink lipstick in like 5 years, so I'm really excited that I wore pink lipstick today for the new year. It's a new wave. Let's get it. I'm not naked, by the way. I have a tube top on. Anyway, let's get into the video. Before we go, make sure you click that subscribe button. It's free. You know you want to, you should. We hit 2K. I'm excited. I'm going to talk about this in every video now. I'm sorry. No. Well, yeah. We hit 2K. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Make sure click that subscribe button. Join the hashtag notification squad by clicking that bell button right there by the subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure you like it, not just emotionally. Click the thumbs up button. I know it, so I know that you like it, so I make more stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? Okay, don't forget to drop some comments in the comments section below. If you have suggestions, want to say something, want to say hi, want to chat, whatever, you know, just get in there, do your thing. I'm really excited for this video. It's New Year. It's like T minus 30. It's like 37 minutes till New Year's Day. I'm ready. I'm about to leave the house. I just wanted to let you guys know because I'm about to show you like the full outfit. Don't worry, okay? I'll show you the full outfit. You guys will see. Let's go on with the video. Bye guys. Mwah. Oh, Happy New Year. Love you guys so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm about to go out and I'm doing my makeup, so this is like a get ready with me kind of thing. I'm going to a New Year's Eve party, so let's beat this face. I'm of course using my Vanishing Oil Control Mattifying Face Cream from Avon with a lot of vitamins in it, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face, but mainly to where I get oily. And I go ham with this because it's not just a mattifying cream, it's actually like a great moisturizer, and it has a lot of vitamins in here. So I'm gonna clean the top of my brows. I have a mixture. Today I'm using my Avon True Color foundation and my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 330 because this wasn't really working for me, so I decided to mix it. I hate wasting money, so I'm mixing it with another foundation that's kind of slightly more orangey than I want to kind of, so they both kind of work together flawlessly, I guess, or I'm hoping, since one is too thin and the other is too orangey. So kind of like the thin one would offset the orange, and the orange one would kind of thicken the light one. So now I'm gonna clean it. my god, I love this look so much, and I'm not even done yet. I'm about to put some lashes on, get some lips. Guys, you ain't ready. This is my new year. This is the look, man. Like, I'm watching, if you see me looking there, I'm watching X on the Beach. The drama, you guys. The drama. It's like no other. Okay guys, so I'm done with my makeup. I'm done. The camera went off while I was doing my lips, and I used this liner, as you already saw. I used this Tarte's lip paint in FOMO, and I used this lip gloss I stole from my mom. This is from In Color, and the shade is Lollipop. It's really sweet. So yeah, that's it. Let me go change and get something on, and I'll be right back. So you guys, this is the final look. I'm about to go party, and I'll show you my full outfit in a minute, but this is the look. See you guys. Mwah.